Here I have LENOVO Tab. Here I have LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly, let's open not camera application but Google application. Then tap on the camera icon here. Tap allow all the time, search with your camera, and now let's scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as my camera spots this QR code, it shows the page which is being encoded here. So by tapping on the search icon, we can visit this website, for example, and see what's interesting about it we can find. So yeah, that's how you can scan QR codes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.